Good day, guys. You're all welcome to Call with Nick Jody. In today's video, we are going to be looking at semantic element in HTML. What are semantic elements in HTML? Semantic elements are HTML tags that clearly define their meaning to both the browser and the developer, unlike div and span, which are generic. Semantic tags help improve accessibility, SEO, and code readability. Common semantic elements. The header element defines introductory content or navigation links. The navigation element represents a section of links for navigation. The section element groups related content together. Then the article element represents independent, self-contained content, for example, blog posts. We also have the aside element, which contains side content related to the main content, example, advertisement and sidebars. We also have the footer, which contains footer content, copyright, for instance, copyrights and links. We also have the figure, which wraps media like images, diagrams, or illustrations. Also, we have the fig caption. This provides a caption for a figure. We also have um, the main element, which represents the main content of the document. Why use semantic HTML? Improved accessibility. Assertive technologies like screen readers can better understand and navigate the web page. SEO benefits. Search engines can better index the page, improving ranking. Better code readability. It is easier for developers to understand the page structure. Enhanced maintainability. The code remains clean and structured, making it easier to update in the future. Non-semantic HTML is a bad practice. It is a bad practice because using a non-semantic HTML, you will have div element all over your code, just like the one you are seeing right here on your screen. You see we have div here to group a header item, which is my website. We also have another div here which groups navigation items. You can see we have the home, about, and contact. We also have div here which groups the main content, and we'll have some items here like welcome message and also some other information. When you go down below, we also have div which contains the footer items. Now if you look at this, you'll see div all over the code. This makes it look so generic, which isn't a good practice, isn't it? So to make your code look nicer, you would choose to use the semantic HTML, which is a good practice. So instead of using div here, you just use the header element for that. And then instead of using also div here to group navigation items, you had better uh, use the navigation element. Here you see the main, down below you see the main element, and then inside the main we have the section element. Use the section element to group these items that are related. And then we have the footer section, which is used to display the footer text, like the copyright text. So that is it. Key takeaways: use semantic element to create meaningful content structure. Improve SEO and accessibility by using the header, the section, article, and footer. Avoid using generic div and span unless necessary. I hope this video helps you understand the difference between semantic and non-semantic elements. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I will be posting regarding web development. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.